Remember that childhood dream of living on Mars? Where we would make boxes into spaceships and look up into the sky, imagining ourselves flying there. Well, it's not a dream anymore. With hours of research, we, Team J.A.N.K.S, Interplanetary Habitation, is the one and only group of scientists that have found the best and cleanest way to colonize Mars. Our goals at Team J.A.N.K.S is to get enough funds to gather all equipment for the trip to Mars and the settling of Mars, prove our credibility and gain support in our dream to colonize Mars, inform people about our team and our plans, and of course, be the first people to live on Mars.
What renewable energy source are you going to use, and what are the environmental impacts?
On Earth, onshore wind turbines can produce over 2 megawatts of energy per year, with little impact on humans, the environment, and the economy. Drilling and digging on Mars will be the only environmental impact, and with little vegetation or wildlife to remove, creating the space for the turbine will have little impact. On Earth, wind turbines usually affect bats and birds. However, with no life on Mars, that will have no environmental impact.
Go.
How much energy will it be able to provide for your colony?
Now, we all know that when starting a community, a ton of energy is required, especially on being on another planet. This is why our team has decided to use wind energy when settling on Mars. One turbine can produce more than 6 million kilowatt hours of electricity in a year, which is enough to supply 1,500 European households. And an average European household holds about 2 people.
What non-renewable energy source are you going to first bring to Mars, and what are the benefits of it?
Our fuel source to power our rocket and to use before we actually set up our wind turbines will be natural gas. It emits 45 to 50% less carbon dioxide than coal and 20 to 30% less heat trapping sources than gasoline. It's also cheaper than other fossil fuels. It does not pollute the ground or underwater ground sources because its byproducts are gases, and it burns without releasing soot or sulfur dioxide. But it can result in methane leaks, and methane has been proven to be 21 times more dangerous than carbon dioxide. And even though it releases significantly less amounts of pollutants, it still releases carbon dioxide, monoxide, and other carbon compounds into the atmosphere.
With the information we have presented to you, we hope that you will make the best choice for who to send on this mission to Mars. We've made the best choices with fuel and renewable energy. First off, with natural gas, we found and discussed how it is the least effective against the environment. It will hurt the Earth's environment as we're leaving and Mars' environment as we are arriving the least, as opposed to coal and oil, which would also be heavier. We can carry more natural gas in case something with the wind turbines takes longer. It'll be easier to set up, and we'll have more leeway and more time to prepare. And wind turbines have no real adverse effects on Mars, because on Mars there are no bats or birds to get caught in the turbine, and we can set up the colony in a way that the noise pollution won't affect the people at the colony. We hope that you'll make the correct decision when who to send to Mars. We are J.A.N.K.S Interplanetary Habitation, J.A.N.K.S. Thank you, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Now, once we are on Mars, we will have to set up the wind turbine, which will be an additional cost of around $3.5 million, which is a small price to pay for such a safe and effective form of energy.